Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And here behind me I have a brand new Mazda CX-30. I'm going to show you guys some cool tips and tricks or hidden features that us sales guys forget to share with you guys so you get the full experience from the get-go. So let's get going. So you guys are out there right now enjoying the Christmas lights, or maybe going through a drive-in theater or watch a movie. But the problem is that your daytime running lights are on to ruin the whole experience for everyone. Now, you don't want to turn off the car though, because then you can't have your climate control on to make sure everyone's comfortable. So is there a way to turn off your daytime running lights while keeping the vehicle on and running to make sure everyone's good to go? The answer is yes, and let me show you how right now. Alright, so here we are on the outside of the Mazda CX-30. You guys can see that your daytime running lights are on. The vehicle's in park and running right now. There's two ways you can go about to turn off your daytime running lights. One's going to be a temporary fix, the other one's going to be a permanent fix. So let's talk about the temporary option now. This temporary option only works when the vehicle's in park, okay? So along the vehicle's in park, you come over here to the light, and switch it down to off, and then there we go. Your daytime running lights are going to be off. As you come around, you'll see that. Once you get out of park, you get to your certain speed, your daytime running lights automatically come right back on, okay? So that's a temporary option right there. Now, if you want to turn these off, and not have them come back on ever again, we can come over here on the screen. We're going to go down to settings, vehicle settings, exterior light, daytime running lights, uncheck. Now those won't come on again. And there we go. Alright, a lot of times there's going to be two drivers with the vehicle or a lot of opinions about the features and functions since these cars are packed with technology. One common question I get is Chris, I do not like the Mazda cruise control stop and go, or some companies call it as the adaptive cruise. When you're driving down the road at 45 miles an hour, it finds a car in front of you going like, I don't know, 40, it slows you down to maintain that distance. Some people like it, some don't. So can I turn that off? The answer is yes. Let me show you how to turn that off or turn it back on after someone disables it. Let's get going. All right, we're going to come over here to the center display screen. We're going to go down to settings, select that. Then we're going to select safety settings, driver's assist system. Now you'll see the top one right there is Mazda radar cruise control. Has a check mark. You check that bad boy, it's done. So now you have standard cruise. It's not going to slow you down to maintain that distance. You get a visual confirmation. There we go. Speedometer and arrow locked right in place. That's your standard. Now, you want to know if you have your Mazda radar cruise control available, it's right down here too. It shows you the little speedometer with an arrow and a car from it. So that's the quick visual difference between those two, okay? Summertime is my favorite time of the year. The household's always busy, the kids are doing something, we're out there enjoying the beautiful weather, right? But the part I don't like about summertime is getting inside of a hot, mucky car. Just imagine the sun's beating it down, it gets really hot, you sit right in it right away, just boom, you die of sweat right away. But now, wouldn't it be nice though if you could plan in advance to roll your windows down by using your key fobs to let all that hot, mucky air out? You can. It's easy. You just grab your key fob, all right? You find the unlock button right here. You select that button 4 times and hold it on the 4th time, okay? So let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Then you'll see that your windows will roll right down and advance. How cool is that? This summer just got cooler. All right, so everyone knows that preventative maintenance is the key to help longevity of these vehicles, and it's hard to keep track when to get these done, right? Now, did you know you actually set your own custom reminder when to get your vehicle serviced by time or miles? Let me show you where that's at here quick. So we're over here on the center display. We're gonna go to information, select that bad boy. Come down to vehicle status. You're gonna see this option, we can focus. Next service, when is it due? There's a date and miles. You can actually change that all up. So we're going to go to vehicle maintenance settings. You have options right here for the date, pushing the wheel. You can change the dates, and then you can also change the miles. So there we go. Just got a little easier for a reminder. Happy driving. All right, so let's imagine this situation. You guys are walking out to your vehicle right now. You're hitting the unlock button. The problem is, though, is that your car's not unlocking because of one of two things. Maybe the key fob battery's dead, or maybe the car battery's dead. So now you're in panic mode because you have some supplies or other stuff in the vehicle you need to get out. So in this situation, is there a way to get inside the vehicle? Yes, you can, and let me show you how. All right, so you guys grab your key fob here quick. You're gonna notice there's two sides of the key fob, one with a Mazda emblem and one without. That's important because the one without is gonna be the lid that opens up. Now you have a chrome action side and a bunt action side. That's also important because the bunt action side is where you're gonna take this without the Mazda emblem on, slide it down towards the bunt action after you trigger this release right here lever. So you pull that down and over, there we go. We got bunt action, slide that up. It pops right up a little bit. You can get that. And then you have the key right here. So you pull this bad boy out and we go to the next step. All right, so now we have the key to success. Now we come over to the driver's side door. We're in panic mode now because you don't see a keyhole, right? Well, what you have to do is open up the driver's side door handle, and right in there is a keyhole. You put that key right in there and you turn it all about like the hokey pokey. Now you get right inside your vehicle, just like that. All right, so there we go, guys. You got your tips and tricks there for the Mazda CX-30. If you guys found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor because I spent a couple hours to create this video. Hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll keep the information coming your way, okay? Bye-bye.